Alright everyone, welcome to Tom's Grilling. Tonight, we're going to do something a little different. It's going to be a smash burger, but I'm going to call it a smash burger sub. I'm going to put it on sub roll, so I'm going to have a hamburger sub. So if you're new to this channel, how about hit that subscribe button? Hit that notification bell down there, that way you know when I'm posting a video. Give me a thumbs up, it helps the channel out. So, for no more ado, let's get started. I'll go ahead and lay these balls of hamburger down. Got the grill good and hot. I like to let them sit there for about a minute before I press them. They've probably been on there long enough. Probably not a minute, but I'm going with them anyway. About 30 seconds. Stand down there, smash them down there a little bit. They're coming at it so you don't see what I'm doing. A lot of people use wax paper, parchment paper, whatever you want to call it, on their little smasher. I just like to use the good old tin foil. It does the same thing. The neighbors behind me probably think I'm crazy, think I'm out here talking to myself. But hey. Well, I know I got some people that love watching the channel that I'm some family members, so I'm gonna give a shout out there to Jeff Crane and old Easy Bell. How y'all doing tonight? They want to be a guest on my show here, so I gotta get them over here one night and let them be a guest. So Isabel can tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right with these YouTube channels. A little bit of salt on them. Not a whole lot, a little bit. The wife just informed me that this pepper shaker here, it kind of puts it out real fast. I don't want a lot of pepper, so I'm going to stick my fingers in it. Do it that way. Just put it on there like that. I want the hamburgers cooked. You see some of the juice just start flowing back up through the top side here, and then they'll be done. We like to put some Worcestershire sauce on ours. Some of that W sauce, Worcestershire. Oh yeah. Probably went a little too long there. We got a good crust on them right there. Whoops, right there it's falling apart. Right there. Get this heat turned down some. A little bit of pepper on this side here too. Can't never have enough pepper. Pepper. A little bit of that salt off. Yep, a little bit of that W sauce. Right there's what makes the hamburger, that W sauce, y'all. That's what you need. You ain't putting it on there, you need to be putting it on there. All over here. This, you know, every grill has got a hot spot, and this zone here is hotter than this zone over here. I do a lot of cooking on this side. This side of the grill is hotter. Usually. Alright. I think these things here is about done, so get very much close to done. We're going to add some cheese to them, some cheese. I'll throw it on that one, and that one. That one, and that one. Cheese is just about there on them hamburgers there. So wife's inside cooking some good old fries, homemade fries in the oven. So we'll get these burgers up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that juice coming out of them things. Juicy hamburgers right there, y'all. Ones here with the cheese on them. Those are for me. Look at that right there, y'all. Don't that look good? Alright, everyone, building my sandwich now. My lovely wife made me some Big Mac sauce to put on there. We're putting the Big Mac sauce on there right now. That's good, babe. Getting that on there. I'm gonna cut my burger in half, like that. I'm gonna take it and lay it on here just like this right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of onions on it. I don't have any lettuce and I don't eat tomatoes, so I don't have to worry about that. That onion there fell off. That's what it looks like, everyone. The sub, hamburger sub or cheeseburger sub. So until next time, this is Tom's Grilling. All right, everyone, building my sandwich now. My lovely wife made me some Big Mac sauce to put on there. We're putting the Big Mac sauce on there right now. That's good, babe. Getting that on there. I'm gonna cut my burger in half, like that. I'm gonna take it and lay it on here just like this right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of onions on it. I don't have any lettuce and I don't eat tomatoes, so I don't have to worry about that. That onion there fell off. That's what it looks like, everyone. The sub, hamburger sub or cheeseburger sub. So until next time, this is Tom's Grilling.